Consider the following linear pattern. Okay, write down the next term. Okay, so we're moving from -1 to 3. So here you're adding 4. From 3 to 7, here you're adding 4 again. Okay, so we kind of get the gist of what's actually happening over here. So for 5.1.1, the next term will be 15, right? Because we're adding 4, right? 5.1.2, write down the general term. Okay, so importantly, there's a formula to this, right? And that formula is Tn equals A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, so Tn is the value that you will find at a specific term, right? So I would call this the value. A1 is the value of the first term, right? So in this case, the value of the first term is -1, right? So it's the, say, a value of first term. N is the term position, right? So either in the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. So that you can call term position, right? It's always -1. That is a constant. You're always minusing 1. T is your common difference, right? In this case, you can see that our common difference is adding 4. We keep adding 4, right? So to answer this question, right, they also determine the general term. So they basically want you to give a formula for this pattern. So I can put a T in, right? First term is -1 plus N minus 1 times the common difference being 4. Okay, we leave that as N because this can be any position. We're just giving the general term or formula for this. So it will be -1. So here we're going to use FOIL method, right? So 4 times N, that will give us 4N and -4, right? So -1 minus 4, so I can put there 4N, that will be -5. So Tn equals 4N minus 5. Okay, that's, okay, we can actually tick that. We have that, we have that. 5.1.3, determine which term equals to 119. Okay, like I said before, that this Tn over here, it means the value, right? The value of any term. Okay, so here they're telling us that the value of that term is 119. So I can put the 119 equals, right? So this here is your general formula, or your general term, you can say. So 4N minus 5. So it's just like solve for x, right? We need to know what is the term position at 119. So 119, right? So I'm going to add 5 on both sides to get rid of this -5 over here. Okay, so this will give us 124 and 4n, right? Now I divide both sides by 4 to get rid of the 4. Okay, so I can say n equals 31. Okay, so that is my answer for 5.1.3. Okay, and that's my answer for 5.1.1. Okay.